So today I thought I would do a very quick explanation, very quick and simple explanation about how vinyl records work. Um, Basically, how Thomas Edison invented this was that pretend my pen is a stylus and I have ink on my fingers. Pretend my pen is a stylus. What Thomas Edison did was to put a diaphragm on top of that stylus, and when he spoke into that diaphragm, the diaphragm moved according to the vibration of his voice. A quick experiment that you could do is hold a piece of paper close to your mouth and then speak, and you can feel the vibrations on that piece of paper. So anyway, on Thomas Edison's diaphragm, a stylus was attached that also moved according to that vibration. And what he did is he used a cylinder, and the stylus cut grooves in the cylinder, and those grooves were cut in there according to the way the stylus was moving from that vibration. And when he played it over again with a different type of stylus that wasn't gonna cut again, the stylus moved over those bumps and pits exactly the same way that the stylus that created them in the first place moved. And so that recreated the exact same vibration that made the bumps and pits, and it recreated the exact same sound. I really hope I'm making some kind of sense. I really don't know how to explain things too well sometimes. Anyway, if you look at a record, now we don't use cylinders, now we use a flat record. It has grooves, and if you were to cut this record through here and hold it this way and look at it through a microscope, this is how it would look like. Just a bunch of bumps and pits that were cut in there by vibrations. The stylus on your record player is then attached to a part called a cartridge. There are different types of cartridges. The best type is usually the magnetic cartridge, and the simplest way I'm going to explain this is, imagine this is your stylus and it has a coil attached to it, and this metal rod in the middle is a magnet. When you move a magnetic field across a coil, it creates currents. So if the stylus along with the coil are moving up and down, that creates a current that varies according to the vibration, and this makes an electrical wave. Of course, those vibrations in real life are happening at very dynamic speeds. So this electrical wave is then fed into your amplifier, and your amplifier makes it bigger, and then that powers your speakers, and your speakers move back and forth in the same way also, and recreate that same sound that created these pits. I don't know if I explained that too well. I really hope I did. If I said anything wrong, please feel free to correct me. Thank you for watching.